Siri allows iOS users to use their iPhones more conveniently as it provides support for some tasks through speech recognition. With Siri, you can set up alarms, send text messages or make a call without touching your device. As long as your iPhone is connected to an internet connection and the actions that you are asking is supported by Siri, then there should be no problem in using this feature. In this video, we will help you fix your Siri not responding on iPhone 12. First solution: force restart iPhone 12. Sometimes, simple procedures such as restarting the device could cure several problems that we encounter on our smartphones. We often neglect performing this process as it is already very common. However, there's no harm in giving this a try if you haven't performed a reset yet on your iPhone 12 with a problem on Siri that is not responding. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side/power button until the Apple logo appears. Once the phone has fully restarted, enable the internet connection on your iPhone 12 and check if Siri responds to your commands. Second solution: check Siri settings on your iPhone 12. Siri configurations on your iPhone 12 might have been set up incorrectly, and that is the reason why Siri is not responding. We need to ensure that necessary options are enabled and they are in the right settings. Access settings from the home screen. Go to and select Siri and search. Enable necessary options such as listen for Hey Siri. After enabling the options, test Siri and check if it responds to your commands this time. Third solution: reset network settings on iPhone 12. Another best way to cure connectivity-related glitches that may have been causing Siri not responding on iPhone 12 is to restore those network settings to their default values and options. This process will ensure that there is no misconfigured network information that may have been affecting the Siri function on your iPhone. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Since this will delete your saved Wi-Fi networks, connect your iPhone 12 again to your preferred Wi-Fi and check if the Siri problem has been resolved. I hope this troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notification. Thanks for watching.